Hello YouTube, it's a good day and welcome to my channel. I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for having to stop by on my channel today to watch this video. Now, I'm going to be telling you that I am going to be giving the best information on this topic, and I want you to watch this video to the end because it's going to be mind-blowing. So let's get started. So what is the first thing that you need for this kind of videos? Creating a fake studio background with just your phone, right? So now what you need, first of all, you need a good background. And when I mean a good background, it's not just any kind of background. You need a green background. What am I saying specifically on a green background? If you notice, there are other videos of this such that will tell you stand on any background. I have tried it before. I stood on any background, but sometimes it does not sync so well. And they will always tell you that you have to stand or stay. You shouldn't shake too much. Don't try to be too shaky in your videos. But how will you be creating a video and all you just need to do is just focus on one place or do this thing? Why can't you move? But with a green screen background, you can move. And this is not just a regular green screen, like it's not just those professional green screen. You can get this very cheap. This is just a cleansing material. I got this for less than $1. You can get it for less than $1 in the market. Just go to the market women, tell them to give you any material or clothing that is greenish, and then spread it on your background and use it. And so the next thing you need for this kind of videos is you need a very good camera or a good phone that can take good shots, and also you need a good lighting system. When I talk about lights, you can actually go with your tripod stand, which is the one that comes with the ring light. All right, so the ring lights kind of light, or you can go for the light box, whichever one. But if those are not available, if those ones are not available, what do? Don't sit back and be like, I don't have this, I don't do this, I don't have those ones because of money or whatever. Go ahead to use your natural sunlight. Just stand behind, and like, can just stand outside where you're having reflections of the natural sunlight, and then shoot your videos. And so the next thing you need right now, you need the CapCut application, and you also need to go to the Canva app. I'm going to show you how this works because we're going to be diving right into this website right now.
And so once you get into your Chrome browser, you're going to type canva.com, and once it opens up, you have to sign up into Canva to get registered. And so then you come here to where you have your search, and you're going to type YouTube thumbnail. All right here on the search, you type YouTube thumbnail, and once it opens up, you're going to see a list of thumbnails, and the one you're going to click on is the first one where you have the add button. Once you click on it, you're going to be directed straight into a space like this. So you can come here and click on elements just right here below here, and you see an option here where you have to generate your AI. All right, you can generate AI of any of you. So what you're going to do here, you're going to type your prompt right here on your YouTube thumbnail. All right, you can type any prompt that you want. However, if you really want to follow my prompt, then I will leave a link or like a write-up of the fonts right in the description. So here you can generate any kind of AI background that you want to use for your videos. This is super easy. You can also generate even video backgrounds that you want to use for your content. So this is currently the background that I currently generated here. 4 generated backgrounds here, so you can select any one of your choice, and you can scale it into the same ratio of the YouTube thumbnail. All right, so which is 16:9, so you can scale it in here. So as you can see, it's perfectly fitted. You can even come here and also add even more, or check out small, one that fits in better for your YouTube background that you want to use. Just make sure you scale it in very well. All right, and once you're done doing that, you can then go ahead to save. All right, you download it into your mobile device. All right, you can download it as a PNG file. All right, so you can come here to select even more, or you can even generate another one if you don't like these ones. All right, so once you have downloaded it in the PNG file, then you are good to go. So the next step to take is coming over to the CapCut application where you finish the remaining job. Once you open up your CapCut application, then you have to select the photo or the picture that you have generated from the Canva application or website. Once you have put in the picture here, you're going to increase it to some minutes, and of course once you're done with that, you can then come over to overlay, and in overlay you can then add the video that you just made externally. All right, once you add it here, you can see this is the video that I did, and this is how it's looking with the green screen or the green clothing, whatever you might call it. All right, once I was able to do that, I reduced the volume there because I didn't want it to interfere with this. So once you are done with that, you can come here to edit this. All right, scale it up to where you want the video to start and to where you want it to stop. All right, so once you are done with that, you are going to come to where you have edit photos, and here you are going to crop this image of the photo, of the video rather. You can see here I am cropping the image of the part of the video that I don't want. So once you are done with that, you come to where you have cutout and you click on remove background. As you can see here, I have been able to cut out that part, and the background is currently removing. Currently it is at 0%. So you can be doing other things that you are doing while it is still removing the background completely. All right, sometimes it might take time, but always ensure that your mobile data is on for this process. All right, so once you are done with that, the next thing you need to do, you come here to video effect. All right, go to video effect, and you're going to come to where you have lens. Here in lens, you select the place where you have blur. All right, so with the blur effects, you can adjust it to fit into the correct blurring rate or range that you want. If it is too blur, it might not really look good and it might not really look original, but you can just blur it a little and then send it through each video or through the part of the video. So you can see right here it is still removing the background, but you can still add your filters, add your effects and other things you want to add. So right here I'm going to do a little touch on the skin tone. All right, you can do the retouch of your video whichever way you want it. Then this is how I just do mine very easily. All right, and it automatically works perfectly. You see that? All right, it's you can even make it even look better, all right, by doing a retouch of your videos. All right, so that is how I do mine, and that is how it works, and it should be that it becomes perfect. All right, so you can see here that it has completely removed the background. But then if you want to add some elements of motion to your background, you can come here to add some keyframes, and then using keyframes you can make your background to have a little bit of motion, which can be a very nice effect for your videos. So you can see this. So this is how it works. All right.
Alright guys, so I believe this video was really helpful to you, and I'm very sure you guys have learned something today. And if it was, don't forget to leave me a comment. Don't also forget to subscribe, and don't also forget to share this video. It's gonna mean so much to me. So thank you guys for watching, and of course I want to see you in my next videos. Bye for now.